Email Marketing GetResponse video tutorial. Hi guys, for today's tutorial, I will show you how you can create your email marketing here and send email to all your contact in your email list. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, you need to log into your account, and if you don't have your account yet, then you can sign up for free. And also you can try all their features for 30 days for free as well. And there's no credit card needed. When you sign up, just click the link in the description below. So once you log into your account, so to start with, you need to click here, Tools. And the first thing that we need to do first before we create our email marketing is to add or to create our contact list. So here you can create your contact list, and then you can also add your contact here. You can manually add your contact, or you can also import your contact from your computer or from other software if you have your contact there. So once you have created your list and added your contact, then that is the time that we can create our email. So just click here, Tools again, and then just go to Email Marketing. And over here, we can start creating our newsletter. This is the email that we will be sending our contact from our email list. So just click Create Newsletter. And then here, we just need to title this email. So let's name it as a test email. All right. And here you need to choose the list that you want this email to be sent. That's why you need to first create your list and add your contact. So for example, I will be sending this test email to tutorial list. And then here we will be choosing the email that we will be using as a from email. This is the email that the receiver will be will see when they receive the email. And then also you have the email here to reply to. If you have a chat support, or if you hired someone to send a reply to your customer who responded your email, then you can do it here. You can enter different email here if you like to. And then here, your subject line, just enter your subject line here. How do you want to stand out in the recipient inbox? So it's important that you will be writing a good subject line here that will entice your customers or the receiver to open your email. So for now, let's just go ahead and name this one as a test email as well. And then here we will be selecting the recipient. So here we can select also a list. Here we will be choosing the tutorial list and then just add. So it will be sent to all the contact that I added from this tutorial list. So I also have an option here to exclude some contacts from receiving this message. It's up to you. So the next thing that you will be doing is designing your content. So just click here, Design Message, and you will be redirected to this one where you can select different template that you can use for your email. So for example, I will be like, let me go ahead and make use of this one. All right, so we have our email here, and everything here, you can customize it. You can add your own logo here. So you can just replace this one with your own logo. And then you can also embed the URL here of the image if you have the URL image. And also you can make use of the free photos that you have here inside the GetResponse. They have good photos here that you can make use of, and also they have GIFs here that you can use in your email. So as you can see here, it's just a simple animation that you can also add to your email marketing. So let me just go ahead and close that one. So you can also change the text here. As you can see, you can customize everything here. You can change the text to your business, and then you can also change the photo here and make use of your product photo. So once you're done, you can also click this one over here, Test and Preview, and check the spam check to make sure that this email will not be sent to the spam messages of the receiver. So as you can see, we're good to go. So this message will not going to spam messages. So you can also click preview here to check again the look of your email. So here's the email that we will be using for our email marketing. This is the desktop view. So you have here the from and reply to and the subject. And then you can also view it in the mobile view. Alright, so let me just close it. And then once you're done, by the way, you can also save this one here. Every time you make changes, just keep saving it. So you can just save it if you want to continue working with this in a later time. And then if you're ready to go to the next step, then just click next. And over here, as you can see, we have here the email that we just designed. And over here, it doesn't show up any option because I did not add any URL or link inside this email that we just created. But if there is a link or URL that I added here, then this option here will be available. I can enable the click tracking for us to see if how many customers click in our link. And also you can check here the number of the e-commerce tracking, and also you have your track link here, the link clicks with Google Analytics. You can enable this one once you added a link inside your email. And by the way, you can also send test message here to your own email to see what the email that you just created look like when you receive it. So once you're done and you check your email and it's good to go, then you have an option here. So when would you like to send your message? You can send it immediately, or you can schedule it for a later time. It will depend on you. But let me just go ahead and choose the send immediately. So I will just click send message here. And with that, we send this email that we just created to our contact from our email list. So that's how you can do email marketing inside GetResponse. It's super easy and fast. And over here, you can also check the performance of your email marketing, or you can also go here to manage your newsletter. So let's go ahead and check your newsletter here. So here you will be seeing the performance of your email. So you will see here the number of the open rate and also the number of the click rate. So I guess that's all for today's tutorial about email marketing with GetResponse. So if you want to create an account again, you can sign up for free and try all the features for 30 days for free as well. And thank you for watching.